In this video, I show you how to get paid $600 a day with free photos. One of the easiest ways to make your money online. This is a website where you can get the job done in less than a minute for absolutely free. Here's a tool where you can take those photos to make money using the second website. I'm going to share with you in a moment. And the best thing is that you can earn hundreds of dollars with the second website. So before we get to that website, I'll show you how to create those photos first. So let's start with how to do these photos for absolutely free. So just go to sprite.adobe.com. It's a free online tool with hundreds of thousands of different templates that let you just drag and drop and create professional designs. But what designs can you create with Adobe Sprite? Well, you can create social graphics, ads, logos, videos, banners, posters, slideshows, and YouTube thumbnails. In addition, you can apply design, filters, and add animations. You can instantly stand out from the crowd and create high quality design. So they also have various features like creating web pages and short videos, but these are not what we will focus on. We will only focus on photos that we can create in less than a minute to share instantly and get paid with the website that I will share with you in a minute. The best thing is that even if you don't have a laptop or computer, you can still do it with just your phone because Adobe Sprite has a mobile app available for Android and iOS devices. So even if you are lying on your bed with your phone in hand, you can still do it and earn money. So all you have to do is go to sprite.adobe.com and click start now. And it will take you to this page where you can create a free account. You can sign up with your Google, Facebook, Apple account, email, or Adobe ID. After finishing the work, it will direct you to your new account immediately. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. So here you can go through all the different formats. You've got all these different graphic designs which you can customize, which is almost 99% done for you, and you just need to change the text. In this way, it becomes your unique design that you can earn hundreds of dollars from. So you can create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collage, presentations, slideshows, and more. All these different formats are available. You can also create brochures, ebook covers, posters, and the like. So let's say, for example, I want to create a brochure design. Now all I have to do is type brochure into the search bar, then click search. Once you click on search, you will see a lot of brochure templates here. As you can see, all these ads are quality and done for us. This tool has already created brochure for us, and all we have to do is change the text. It is very easy and anyone can do it easily. Now you have to choose your favorite brochure. For example, let's say I like this brochure here. So all you have to do is simply click on the flyer and then it will bring us to this page. This is where we can customize the brochure of our choice. Now we can change the text by double clicking on it. Now we can type whatever we want. For example, we can write "Make Money Magic." As you can see, I just changed the text so easily. Now I can change some other things to make it more professional, like colors, font style, font size. You can literally customize everything. You can add shapes, shadows, outlines, and the like. And here on the left, if you don't like this one, you can still choose different patterns. So it's really easy and simple to use because it's all almost 99% done for you. You just need to change the text and save it to your computer by clicking the download button right above the page. Now, if you want to remove the watermark, you can use the shipping tool or any other software you have on your computer and just take a screenshot of these photos and just remove the watermark at the bottom of the photo. So as you have seen how simply and easy it is do these designs with Adobe Spark. Now let me show you a website that will pay you hundreds of dollars for the designs you create with Adobe Spark. And that website is called designcrowd.com. If you don't know what DesignCrowd is, DesignCrowd is the one custom design marketplace in the world. Here, people sell logo designs, web design, advertising designs, graphic designs, and other design services. Now, if we go to the designers section and select graphic designers, we can see people from all over the world who are making money. They earn hundreds and thousands of dollars every day. If we choose tracked designers, we can see more people earning even more. You can more a lot of money with DesignCrowd. Is a really good website that pays a decent amount for designs that you can do with Adobe Spark in less than a minute. So if we go the job section right here, you can see that you can create all these designs and get paid to do it. You can create anything from logo designs to ads, poster, web designs, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter designs, graphic design, t-shirt designs, and everything we saw on the first website, everything we can do. And with this method, you can earn good money online anywhere in the world.